In the last lecture, we added this toggle button and it works fine. Let's now make sure that we actually turn this into something more pretty. For that, I'll add a CSS file to my drawer toggle component, drawer toggle.css, and in there I want to style this as a hamburger icon. Now attached to this video you will find the CSS code which is responsible for that, and this code essentially just creates a div with 3 bars inside of it, where each bar is one of the hamburger icon bars. Now to make that CSS code work, we need to adjust the actual HTML or JSX code. So there we no longer have a div which wraps the menu text. Instead what we'll have is a div which holds 3 div elements inside of it. And these div elements don't have any content, don't have any CSS class. Due to the assigned styling, they will be styled correctly because I'm styling all divs which are nested in a div or in any element which has the drawer toggle class. That of course means we have to assign the drawer toggle class to the outer div. So I'll import classes from the CSS file to get access to that class, and then add class name to the outer div and assign classes drawer toggle, referring to that drawer toggle CSS class which is set up there. So make sure all files are saved, and let's then have a look at that. And here we see the nice looking hamburger icon. And with that we got a pretty nice looking application where we can build our own burger, check it out, continue, which doesn't do too much yet, and have a lot of nice looking functionality in there. Now over the next modules we'll add more functionality, like sending this order data to a real server, adding multiple pages, and handling the application state differently. But I'm already pretty happy with this state of the application, and I'd say let's now have a look at how we may optimize this or what we can fine-tune about that before we then move on to further course modules.